Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly looping through the list and compares adjacent items and swap them if they are not in correct order. As you can see, that it is continuously checking two items together and swapping them if needed. So, in every loop the greater one is being placed on the correct place. Now I am sorry that on the middle of the video I'll have to kill you, as you have still didn't subscribe to my channel. But if you are still alive, then continue watching, because now I am gonna implement bubble sort in Python. It is a very easy algorithm. First, define the function. There will be two loops. Outer loop will run till the second last item of the array. The inner loop will run till this. When I is 1. Inner loop will run till the previous index of length -1. We don't have to check the last part because the largest numbers will already be there. So, it'll be an waste of time and memory. Now, it'll check the two items which are together. If they are not in correct order. Which means if the left item is bigger than right item, then they swap their place. See how easy it is. Now let's check. Now, Jesse Pinkman reminds you again about subscribing to my channel and liking this video.